Quadium 4004 presents the history of the MCS-4 and its software recreation. Historically, digital system design relied on hardwired logic. MSI gates, flip-flops, counters, and complex circuit boards. The MCS-4 introduces a different approach, replacing that logic with microprogramming, utilizing a minimal set of standard integrated circuits. Okay, let's see how the MCS-4 is organized. The system consists of 4 LSI devices: 4004, 4-bit CPU, executes instructions, controls data flow, and manages the system. 4001, 256-byte ROM with I/O port, contains the microprogram and provides a configurable 4-bit port. 4002, 320-bit RAM with output port, stores temporary data and system states. 4003, 10-bit shift register, allows for the expansion of control lines and outputs. These devices are interconnected via a 4-line data bus, timing lines, and command lines. Let's take a look inside the CPU. This is the 12-bit program counter. It holds the address of the next instruction to execute, capable of addressing up to 4 kilobytes of ROM. The program counter operates within a 4-level address stack. This stack stores the return addresses for subroutines. Next up, the 4-bit accumulator and the carry flag. The accumulator handles all data transfers, inputs, outputs, and arithmetical results. Right beside it, the carry flag tracks 4-bit arithmetical overflows during nibble operations. Here are the 16 4-bit index registers. They act as temporary storage and can also form 8 pairs of 8-bit registers for memory addressing. The 8-bit instruction register. It fetches and temporarily holds the instruction from the ROM so the processor can decode it. And the test line. This is a dedicated input pin that the CPU can check using conditional jump instructions, often used to detect external events like key presses. The Intel 4001 combines a 256-word, 8-bit ROM with a 4-line input-output port. The ROM holds the program, and the port lets the 4004 drive or read external signals directly. Inside, it includes the addressing logic and the internal register needed to select any of those 256 locations, following the 4004's multiplexed bus protocol. The minimum working setup is just a 4004 and a single 4001, since the processor can't run anything without at least one ROM attached. And as an upper limit, a standard MCS-4 system can chain up to 16 ROM devices, for a total of 4,096 program words. The 4002 is a RAM chip with a total of 320 bits, arranged into 4 independent registers. Each register is made up of 20 characters, 16 data and 4 status, and every character is 4 bits. Alongside the memory array, the device includes a 4-line output port, an 8-bit address register, and the timing logic needed to operate on the processor's multiplexed bus. A standard system can use up to 16 of these devices without adding any extra circuitry, allowing the program to expand its working memory as needed. This chart summarizes the entire vocabulary of the Intel 4004. These few commands were enough to start the age of programmable computing.
you.